Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, I wanted to discuss with you regarding Alap, how to play Alap. So it is a big questions that I have faced, I have received and from different students and also in comment sections. So before I going and deep dive into this Alap section, I wanted to tell you this is my first video on how to make, how to prepare, how to play Alap on flute. Now, when I've started these conversations, it will definitely come in your mind, sir, that sir is about to say regarding any raga. So I will tell you, my dear, all of my listeners, all of my viewers and all of my students, no, I am not telling anything about raga. Then is there any connection between Alap and raga? Yes, of course. There is many connections between Alap. Definitely there is a connection between Alap and raga. But what is Alap? It is a separate entity, separate things from the raga. Now, before I jump into the section, I will give some scenario. I will place some scenario in front of you. You just think if you can connect with me with those scenario or not. Scenario number one. Suddenly, one day you are walking on a street and you meet your friend, and a very old friend. And how will you communicate with each other? Can you quickly recall? First, you will tell, "Hey, how are you? After a long days back, we are seeing each other, isn't it?" That is possible. The first question is, how are you? Then both of you will ask, how about each and everyone's families, and definitely what they are doing. What you are doing, you will tell. What they are doing, they will definitely tell. So the first question is coming, the health or status. Then is coming his family. Then is coming what they are doing for themselves. So like this way, this conversation is gradually increased. Maybe you will sit in a coffee shop and started more and more discussion, or you can exchange the phone number and you will start again and again conversation, talking to each other. So this is kind of a conversations, right? Did you prepare the script for it? No, you didn't. But still you can talk to each other. Okay. Another scenario I'm placing. You have been given 7 colors, the rainbow colors. Okay? And it has been given one white canvas. And you have asked to draw whatever you want on that blank white paper. So you'll definitely draw, right? Everyone's drawing is not looking wise good, but you can draw, right? Nobody told you how to draw, but you can draw. You will put little red, little yellow, little green. I'll see how does color is coming. How do you like that? Okay? First page is not good. Second page you open, then you again put it, right? So in these two cases, if I am connecting with it, Alap, then it is true. This is Alap. Alap is a conversation with you and your flute. What is a sentence? Sentence are Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. There were 7 swaras and also 4 komal swaras and 1 tivra swaras, total 12. So in these 12 swaras, you will pick it up and you will start communicating with your flute. and this is called Alap. You do not know, this is not predictable. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is not good, like your painting. So first time it is good, second it is not. You didn't like, not good means you didn't like. Everything is good, but whatever you like or not like, that depends. Okay, like this conversation is growing. Like this way, a conversation is to grow. Not the first day, on the first page, your painting will be super. No, it takes time. So Alap also takes some time. Okay. Now, what is the connection between Alap and Raga? There are so many connections. A Raga has been a defined form. Suppose I am telling you the defined formation is Sa, Re, Komal, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Komal, Ni and then Sa. Or I will define Sa, Komal, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Komal, Dha, Ni and then Sa. So I have defined the things. I have defined the rule, like after Ma, it supposed to come Dha, not Pa. So I am defining, okay, in this conversation, you should avoid this. Like some conversations, some friends also conversation, you should avoid some words, isn't it? You should avoid some sentence, isn't it? Think in this way, you are avoiding something. So by this way you can make some sentence, beautiful sentence. So this is Alap. Now imagine I can take you, an artist can easily take you into the forest, into the in front of the big mountain, or on top of the big mountain, or beside a river. You will be in a melancholy. Okay, you will be very sorrow. An artist can make you very sorrow, very happy. So how can artist do this? Before he do this, he needs to talk to himself. So my dear, all my viewers, all my students, music learning is nothing but learning himself. A better version of yourself learning is music. Music is a path by which if you go, you know what you exactly are, what you can think. You could be an artist only when you can create something. And Alap is the first step. 7 swaras have given, and 4 Komal Swara and Tibra Swara, 12 swaras. Can you make something unique? If you can, then you are an artist. You create. Now, and if you see, again I'm coming back to that story, like how can I take you into the forest? Because I can feel the sound of the forest. The artist can feel the sound of the mountain, the sound of the river, the river bank. If you can understand, if you can feel the sound of that particular place, or if you can understand the sound of the emotion, like happiness, like sorrow, like deep pain, if you can feel this, then my dear students, my dear listeners, you can make a better Alap. So I hope this is a little bit you understood in this video. I will come up with a next video with more details and also I will show you how to play, and I will show you by playing the flute, and I will show you how we are creating an Alap in flute. Okay.